Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell you how to teach colors name to kids. First of all, show them some colorful things like this blocks, pencil colors or any types of colors. You can use colorful metal bangles or this type of toys. So what you have to do, just teach only 4 to 5 colors name and show them the color first and teach them through the rhymes and songs, and never ever force the kids to learn. Okay, for example, like if you want to teach yellow color, so you have to show them the yellow color and sing a song like this: yellow, 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 this is yellow, 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 this is yellow. So you can teach like this, show them the colors one by one and sing the song. Once they start identify the colors, then you start asking the colors name through playing. So I'm going to show you an example how to ask. So let's start. Which color is this? Good. Which color is this? Good. Which color is this? Good. Which color is this? Very good. Which color is this? 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 Purple. Which color is this? Which color is this? Which color is this? Blue. Good. Very good. Now, blue color, where are you? Fix it. Very good. Green color, where are you? How do you do? Pink color, where are you? Purple color, I hope this video will help you. Do subscribe to my channel, like, share and comments. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video. Take care.